Now I'll show you how to work with a liquid rubber base. First step, we put it here, on this point. Don't push on brush too much. Put it under cuticle and straight down. On the left side the same way, on the right side the same way, and edge of our nail. Second step is to put some drop on apex place where should be the highest point of our nail, and don't push it on your brush, but you make movement like this, just on surface of your coat, making it like this, making smooth surface. And when you want to make it up, make it like this. Now you should see absolutely straight flare on your nail. When it's not like this, you can use thin brush, making it close to cuticle first of all, and then smoothing, making surface very, very smooth. Never work like this in opposite direction. Always work like this under the angle of 30 degrees, and soft touchment, very soft touchment, just on surface of your coat. And in opposite direction you work like this. And after you did it, you rotate your finger and take it like this under the table and wait 10 seconds. Never take finger like that or like that, just parallel to the table surface. Wait, rotate finger of your client. See, flare of light is very, very straight, so this is right. And now you can put it in the lamp.